two awesome strategies which are really passive and with which you can really make some good amount of money, as well as I am currently doing these strategies myself to make money online in 2021. These are 100% working strategies on which I am currently working, and you can make absolutely killing out of this strategy. And the best thing about this strategy is that it not only makes you money today, but the thing is that it will be making you money for the upcoming 2 to 3 to 5 years, because it is going to be passive income for you. So definitely start working on this strategies if you haven't started working yet. The number one thing on which I am working currently is print on demand. The thing is that you upload one design to any of the platform like Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, any of the platform, and the thing is that once you have uploaded the design, that design remains on that platform for a very long period of time. And the best thing about that is that whenever someone purchases that design, you are going to receive a royalty commission. So that is something which is really awesome, because you have put in the work for once, and that work is going to pay you for a very long period of time. And that is something which is the best thing about this print on demand business model, and that's the reason why I am doing this model, and I am currently working hard to make it a good passive income. And that is something which you should be focusing on and building up for yourself also. Now the second strategy which I am currently using and applying is faceless YouTube channels. The thing is that you can just use softwares like Vietnamese and create faceless YouTube videos. You can convert articles to videos and upload those videos to a YouTube channel which doesn't have any face, or else you can hire someone on Fiverr who will create this type of videos for you, and after that you can upload this type of videos to YouTube. And one more thing which is really awesome, because if you really want to grow your YouTube channel for the current period of time, YouTube shorts are really getting super viral. So you can also try your luck on that, and there is a great chance that your channel may get viral, or you may get a lot of subscribers, because YouTube shorts are really going super viral, and there is the greatest chance for you to just really grow your channel and make some awesome passive income out of it. And this is something which is really going to happen to you if you are going to put in the work, create a faceless YouTube channel. And the thing is that you can also focus on YouTube shorts, and you can also create YouTube shorts with a simple voiceover. So that's something which you can do and definitely make a very good amount of money for the future, because once you upload a video to YouTube, once your channel is monetized, that video is going to make you money for a very long period of time, as well as you can also earn money just by providing affiliate links in the description of your faceless YouTube channel. And that is something which can make you really some good sweet money. And this is something that can happen with you if you are really serious about starting an online business, and without any investment. All you need to do is put in your hour a day, just create 2 to 3 Redbubble designs and make a YouTube video. That's it. Just you have to put in 1 hour a day consistently, and you can just build this passive income stream for yourself, and maybe you can get out of your 9 to 5 job out of this and really make a full-time living out of it. So this is something which is the best thing that can happen to you if you really want it to happen to you, and in this way you can make some good amount of money. I hope you have got some value out of this video, and you are going to apply these strategies to your online business, because these are two things which can really make you passive income for a very long period of very long period of time. So definitely do start if you haven't started yet, and I hope you have got some value out of this video. Press the like button, smash the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.